Hello, my name is Rob Wheeler from Quick Trim, and today I'm going to give you a few tips on how to use the Quick Trim brisket trimmer. One recommendation that I do have before you start trimming your brisket is use a cold brisket. This brisket just came out of a cooler. It's about 38 to 42 degrees, and the reason for that is the fat stays quite firm. As the brisket starts to temper, it will get sticky and tacky. So I always like to use a cold brisket when I'm trimming them. Okay, so first thing we do with the quick trim is you want to go ahead and find this area of fat that you want to trim. Lightly take a small bite with the quick trim blade and then just pull lightly straight across, not in a downward motion, across your brisket. And as you can see, it just starts peeling the fat away. I normally start on one side because as you can see there's layers of fat here. And if you trim that layer first, you can see where the meat lies. As you can see, you can start to see the meat. We still have about 3/4 of an inch of fat here. So we're going to want to take just another pass or two straight across there to get a nice even cut. One thing nice about this quick trim brisket trimmer is that your free hand is always on the back side of the moving blade. Not like when you use a knife and you're cutting like this, that your hand is always exposed to the danger of possibly that knife blade coming up out of the fat and cutting your hand. One thing we really love about this quick trim. So you just basically take a couple of more passes of the fat straight across the top until you have the desired amount of fat that you want to trim on your brisket. And then we'll usually turn it around on this side, and it has this eye piece of fat. Now this fat does not melt easily in a smoker, so we definitely take this out. And the same thing, all you need to do is clear your blade, take a small little bite of this eye fat, and then just pull straight across. And as you can see, it just peels off like butter. There you go. And that's your lesson today using the Quick Trim brisket trimmer.